Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act.
chú thằng đồng chơi lại mình ra xe hay là chú không có xe tao clear bên bằng không không tao sir tao clear
bằng
rồi cho con đi kiếm cho hăng luôn.
Good question now just sạc lắc hai question này Japan with capital G J Ngayur with capital here Ngayur with aning with capital letter in học phúc rồi phải nói được gì khác chứ Iva aning khẩn là hàng ta sẽ bị gì khác chứ ngán luôn chứ khó
Rồi China
C Sir Germany G
Sir Russia
phải nói là Sir, what is the difference between summer and winter?
Difference between summer and winter.
Okay. Có lần xem running tí đó. Là khá vã, summer, other side, winter. You got it, huh? Okay then. Summer has 6 letters. Winter also has 6 letters. I mean they. Second point. Summer is hot, winter is not hot. Summer has summer vacation, winter has winter vacation. Our last point. This is very important to you, okay? For you, I mean. Note it down. People had the exam day compulsory for Denmark. Note it down, okay?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
My father likes summer, my mother likes winter, but I like both due to some reason. Hence, proof. Whoa! Tution hàng lịch vừa. Thằng lùi y nó thùng địa. Tution một khuyên thì lùi một con.
Not a problem.
Sir, can you define photosynthesis? Chị nào liếm thêm được ạ? Cái bay nào chị lẹ? Chụp, nó làm rồi. Photosynthesis is a process in which 4 plants go to picnic and one plant copying the photo of the other 3 plants and sending photo on WhatsApp. Laka WhatsApp chỉ lịch chat sa laka photo chỉ sin, so it is photosyn. Laka akapan na photo chỉ cứ chỉ pa khle tang han chỉ na. This is the hangmi. Chỉ na photosyn this is. So photosynthesis. Exam di pasai clear dah ha. Ni siapa siapa lagi? Hok saja. Kamu lain tu.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret.
Dari linis lahai video himang wang kala isi lihat tom sada isi ha aru hamba 1K subscriber ka fight khotna la ring lejila jena yaru na chunga yang da khading dia subscribe sa from lai mi asu yo 一些 big 的发的米了，那从你慢慢来，Woo!